The Kian Un Keng Shrine is an old Chinese joss house on the Thonburi side of the Chao Phraya River in Bangkok, Thailand. It's also known as the Kuan An Keng Shrine and the GuanyinShrine. The shrine is one of the oldest in Thailand, founded by King Taksin, who ruled the Thonburi Kingdom from 1767 to 1782. The shrine is Hokkien Chinese, and originally it was divided into two shrines, the Lord Guan Shrine and the Chor Su Kong Shrine. Eventually, both shrines fell into disrepair during the reign of King Taksin. During the reign of King Rama III, the two shrines were demolished and rebuilt using Chinese courtyard architecture. The Kian Un Keng Shrine's name means building that creates peace and tranquility for the Hokkien. Today, the Kian Un Keng Shrine contains a rare image of the Chinese goddess Guanyin that was brought from China and enshrined by King Taksin. Guanyin is the bodhisattva associated with compassion and is venerated by Mahayana Buddhists. The image of the Kian Un Keng Shrine is unique as it depicts Guanyin seated and not standing. The image is carved from wood and coated with gold. The interior of the shrine contains murals and paintings of scenes from the classical Chinese novel Romance of the Three Kingdoms. Other Chinese deity images adorn the shrine room along with several standing Guanyin porcelain statues. When entering, be sure to check out the delicate wood carvings above the doors. This shrine is a quiet and peaceful place that only gets a few tourists. It's worth a visit if you want to see a historic Chinese place of worship. Also notable is that in 2008, the shrine received the ASA Architectural Conservation Award. The area around the shrine is perfect for walking. A path along the riverside takes you to Wat Kalayanamit and Santa Cruz Church. Towards the Memorial Bridge and Sky Park is Wat Prayun. The area around the shrine and church is known as the Kudijin community. The area was historically settled by Portuguese immigrants and is famous for its Kudijin cupcakes. A walk around the community's narrow alleys can be worth your while. There's a small museum, a Thai-Portuguese cooking school, and several cafes and cake shops. The area is easily accessible via the Chao Phraya express boat that stops at Wat Kalayanamit Pier, or by walking from Pat Klong Talat Flower Market via the Memorial Bridge or Sky Park. The shrine is open daily from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, then watch one of these other videos. Thanks for watching.